This is Greg Breakfast Bar. Um, Game day cooking. Um, this week, we used all these last week. Seasonal, the garlic powder, the slap your mama, salt, black pepper. So we're gonna soup this hamburger meat up a little more, and we're gonna add some of my barbecue sauce to it. And we're gonna make it wet. I told you I like wet food, so I like my food wet. And we're gonna stir that up with that in there. See that? I don't think that's wet enough. I like my food a little wetter. See that? We added barbecue sauce to the meat that we used last week for the spaghetti. This week, we're gonna stuff some bell peppers with it. And now we're gonna stuff the bell peppers. Another thing I forgot to tell you, we added rice with the hamburger meat this week, just to give it a little more kick and flavor, along with the hamburger meat. We're gonna stuff these bell peppers. We're gonna get these bell peppers stuffed. Once we get them stuffed, all of them stuffed, then we're gonna do something else. I'm gonna do something else because you see this bacon to the side right here now. You know I'm gonna do something with that bacon, don't you? So we're gonna fill this up. We ain't playing tonight. It's some real food here. And we got these bell pepper stuff. Let me take a little bit off that and put it over here. Got them stuffed real good there. Now, we're gonna take our cheese. My hands are clean. I already washed my hands. And cheese them up. And cheese them up real good. Then we're gonna add bacon. Right on the little toppy top. Who don't love bacon? I do. There you go. Now we're gonna take these. We're gonna go to the oven with them. Look how good that looks. 350 degrees. For about 35, 40 minutes. Right now the food is ready, so we'll take it out the oven. Get this right here. I had to get a bigger pan. Look at that. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That's about as good as it get right there. That looks delicious. This is Greg Breakfast Bar. This is where I do it at home. And this is where I pick the games every week. I'll let you next week.